was once an oak tree that stood tall in the grounds of Dun and Massey, where all the woodland creatures would take shelter and play. One day a great storm came, frightening the animals and causing them to run away. The wind was so strong that it caused a great tree to fall down. Over time it started to decay, and hollow rings were left in the garden. The animals returned and made it their home. A little boy who was visiting the garden saw a rabbit hopping into these rings and started to follow it down. The shelter seemed to go on forever, but when he could follow no further, he turned around expecting to find himself lost. But magically, the entrance was much nearer than he thought.